ever give birth to. This is the biggest vision that you've ever carried. And I am affirming again, do not rush this birth. Just because people back here are talking like they did to Hannah, don't rush it. Take your time in this gestation. Take your time. Feed yourself. You remember back in the day how our grandmothers used to our great grandmothers would tell us, don't let everybody hold that baby. Don't let everybody touch your stomach. It's the same thing in the spirit. Thank you all for joining. Don't let everybody touch your stomach. In the spirit, it's the same thing.